What's up guys, it's Mike, back with another video. If you guys are new here, I like to do tech unboxings, shoe unboxings, and a little bit of vlogging. But today's an exciting day because I got my hands on the Xbox Series X. And so we're gonna go ahead and move to the other camera and take a look at what comes inside. And I might do a little bit of shots comparing to the Series S. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here's the Xbox, here's the box itself. We'll take a look at it real quick. On the front here, you've got the name. It tells you it's got a 1 terabyte SSD and it does 4K up 120 frames per second. Here, when we move to the side, right there is just the picture itself of the console. When we move to the other side, I believe it gives you some more information right there. Telling you about the 8K HDR, the 4K 120 frames per second, the 1 terabyte, the variable refresh rate, and it's a 4K Blu-ray player. And then I think it tells you what it includes right here. And then on the back, it gives you some more information, and then you've got a picture of Master Chief right there. It says power your dreams, what they've been doing with their ad campaign. So let's go ahead and dive into this thing. I believe it's going to be opening up the same way the Series S did. Go check out that unboxing if you want to see the cheaper model. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. But there you go. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Instead of cardboard like on the Series S, you get styrofoam here, which is a lot nicer presentation. But then you get the Xbox right here and all your accessories in the back, which is what we're about to take a look at real quick. So the first thing you get is paperwork right here. We're going to put that back. The next thing you get is the HDMI port, which is a high-speed HDMI port, so it should support this system very well as long as you have the right TV. And then it also comes with your power cable, which again is the same as the Series S. Let's see if I can get that to focus. You get the black version of the controller instead of the white one that you get with the Series S. Still USB-C at the top, if I can get this to focus. Yeah, USB-C up top. Still that double A battery door. And then, yeah, pretty much same controller, same grip, same everything, just in a black colorway to match the console. So now for the last thing is the actual console itself. And you can see right here it's got this little piece of like paper, cardboard, plastic, or whatever that says power your dreams right there. So that comes on it just like the Series S did. And now let's actually take this out of its nice little paper. We'll open that. There's a little bit of tape. Ooh, look at this thing. Hopefully we're in frame. Yeah, you guys can see it. So this is the console itself. We're gonna move that over there. Okay, so this is the console itself. You got your power button up here, your disk drive down here with your eject button, which is again different than the Series S, which is all digital. Then you've got a sync button and your USB. So on the back you have your 2 USBs, your Ethernet, power, expansion, and HDMI out, and then you get a little bit more ventilation right there. And then up top though, you can kind of see the fan and that nice green like little accent right there. That's pretty neat. And then on the side here you've got the Xbox logo. So yeah, so real quick I'll grab the Series S and we can look at the size comparison. Okay, so here's the Series X next to the S, and you can already tell size difference right there. Shorter, its width is a lot smaller. It's a huge difference actually. But of course I keep mine normally like this versus the Xbox will stand tall like that. So, but this is a lot easier to fit wherever I needed to versus this is going to be a little more tough, but you do have rubber feet right there if you wanted to lay it down. This is the Xbox Series X, and now we're gonna back out real quick and conclude this video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go set this thing up. That was my unboxing for the Xbox Series X. Stay tuned, I'll probably have a first impressions like I did with the Series S probably in a week or so, or maybe a little bit more after I get to use it a little bit. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.